How to clean the solar cell of the Slim Solar Plus K980? Dust and dirt might accumulate during the usage of your keyboard on the solar cell and other parts of your keyboard. To keep your keyboard at the best charging performance, cleaning the solar cell is the key. Please follow the instructions to clean your keyboard. Use compressed air to remove loose debris and dust between the keys and on the solar cell. If you do not have compressed air available, you could use cold air from a hairdryer or an air blower. Lightly moisten a soft, lint-free cloth with regular tap water, then gently wipe down the keyboard. You can also use fragrance-free disinfecting wipes or antibacterial wet wipes, makeup removing tissue, or alcohol swabs containing less than 25% concentration of alcohol. Do not use bleach, acetone, nail polish remover, strong solvents, or abrasives. Please do not apply excessive force on the solar cell as it might cause permanent damage. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.